Welcome to all in SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Hello students, today in the lesson Ratio and Proportion of Standard 6, we are going to study the topic Unitary Method. Alright, to understand this unitary method very well, first we'll discuss two examples. From that we'll get an idea exactly what is unitary method. So let's have a look at this example. A bunch of 15 bananas cost 45 rupees. How much will 8 bananas cost? So let us see. Cost of 15 bananas is equals to rupees 45. Therefore, to find out cost of one banana, what we have to do? We have to divide. Yes, is equals to 45 divided by 15. Alright. So we know very well the table of 15 now, as you are in standard 6. So say the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. So it will come rupees 3. Is that clear? So cost of one banana is rupees 3. Now children, as we got the value of one banana, it is very easy to find out value of 8 bananas. How? By multiplying. Therefore, cost of 8 bananas is equals to 8 into rupees 3. What will get answer? Rupees 24. Is that clear? So this is how it is very simple to study examples related to unitary method. If in the example we have given value of many objects, from that always find out value for one object, and once we get the value for one object, it is very easy to find out value for many objects. Is it clear? Students, to understand this concept very well, let us consider or let us solve one more example. See the question. If a bunch of 10 flowers cost 25 rupees, how much will 4 flowers cost? Alright, same method. Cost of 10 flowers is equals to rupees 25. As we know the cost of 10 flowers, it is very easy to find out cost of 1 flower. Therefore, cost of 1 flower is equals to 25 divided by 10. It is again related to decimal fractions, which we have already studied. Next to 1, 0 is there, only 1 0, so it will be rupees 2.5. Alright, so cost of 1 flower is rupees 2.5. Okay, now as we know now the value of 1 flower, easily we can find out value for 4 flowers. Okay, by multiplying. Therefore, cost of 4 flowers is equals to rupees 2.5 into 4. Children, you can multiply actually. Let us have a look here. 2.5 into 4. 4 5s are 20. Right here 0. Carry 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. After decimal point, 1 digit is there. So from right toward the left, leave 1 digit. So what will be the cost of 4 flowers? Rupees 10. Alright. Therefore, cost of 4 flowers is equals to rupees 10. So see here student, after solving those two examples, we come to know that to find the cost of one article from that of many articles, we have to do the division, that is by division method. Then find the cost of many articles from that of one by doing multiplication. So this method of solving a problem is known as the unitary method. So based on this, children will solve practice set 29. Student, see here in this practice set, question 1 is given: if 20 meters of cloth cost rupees 3600, find the cost of 16 meter of cloth. Okay, so let's write here cost of 20 meter cloth is equals to rupees 3600. From this, we have to first find out cost of 1 meter of cloth. Therefore, cost of 1 meter cloth is equals to rupees 3600 divided by 20. This we can write in this way, upon 20. Alright, it's very simple. This 0 gets cancelled with this 0. Alright, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, 1 remains, number becomes 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 zeros are 0, so it will come rupees 180. Now as we know value for 1 meter of cloth, it is very simple to find out value for 16 meter of cloth by doing multiplication. Therefore, cost of 16 meter cloth is equals to 180 into 16. Now directly, if you cannot do the multiplication, do here actual 180 multiplied by 16. Okay, 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, carry 4, 6 1s are 6 and 4, 10. Put here cross or 0 as it I already taught you. 1 zeros are 0, 1 8s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Let us add this 0, 8, 8 and 2. So what will be the cost of 16 meter of cloth? That is rupees 2880. Is that clear? Let us solve example number 2, children. Question is given: find the cost of 8 kg of rice if the cost of 10 kg of rice is rupees 325. Now 10 kg rice cost is given. From that easily we can find out by doing division cost for 1 kg of rice. So let us write here cost of 10 kg rice is equals to rupees 325. Alright. Therefore, cost of 1 kg rice is equals to 325 divided by 10. Children, it is very simple when it is in the division 10, 100 like that. Next to 1, how many zeros are there? Only 1. So, we have to leave from right towards the left only 1 digit. So, it will come rupees 32.5. It means cost of 1 kg rice is rupees 32.5. Now it is very simple to find out cost of 8 kg of rice by doing multiplication. Therefore, cost of 8 kg rice is equals to rupees 32.5 into 8. Alright. So this is equals to. Now directly we cannot multiply. So you can multiply actually 32.5 into 8. Why I am drawing this line? To write the carryover. Now 8 5s are 40. Write here 0, carry 4. 8 2s are 16 and 4 20. So write here 0, carry 2. 8 3s are 24 and 2 26. Now next to decimal point, how many digits are there? Only 1 digit. So from right towards the left, leave 1 digit. So it will come rupees 260. Alright. Therefore, cost of 8 kg rice is equals to rupees 260. Don't you find it? These sums are very easy. Only you need lot of practice to solve these examples. Student, see here fourth example. The question is the weight of 30 boxes is 6 kg. What is the weight of 1080 such boxes? So let us write here weight of 30 boxes is equals to 6 kg, 6 kilogram. Therefore, weight of one box is equals to 6 divided by 30. Children, of course, your doubt is very correct. You are going to get answer here in the fraction. Divide in the numerator as well as in the denominator by 6. So your answer will be 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. 1 upon 5 kg. Doesn't matter if it comes in the fraction. Now we have to find out, therefore, weight of 1080 boxes is equals to 1080 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Alright? Now it's very simple to divide. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 8 is bigger than 5, so 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5, 3 remains, number becomes 30. Yes, 5 6 are 30. So it will come 216 kg. Therefore, weight of 1080 boxes is 216 kg. So, it won't affect if answer is in fraction. So, don't get confused. Oh my god, my answer is in fraction. Now what to do? Don't worry. You can do the calculation in such a simple way. You will get the answer.